Hey guys, welcome back to another episode, Bonsai with Reece. This is Reece.
Ryan.
Permanent guest.
He does all the hard work.
The student.
We've got these two yew trees, Taxus baccata.
I'm glad you know the Latin.
I found this one in the garden centre and spotted it, and he's potted this one up already, about a month ago?
Yeah.
And it's alive.
These each, so £3.50.
Yeah, you know, it's like the end of season sale, so canopy doesn't really matter at the minute. It's about getting the roots in a good soil, smaller pot. These are little training pots.
I bought a bulk of these on Amazon. I think they were 10 for 20 quid, worked out £2 each for,
yeah, they're good
for
though.
a dish.
Lovely.
And they're solid.
Get a little bit bigger one as well, can't you?
Yeah.
Where's the favourite tool? Root rake. He's got a flash one. Yeah, let's get one of these. We'll get them out of their pot, these pots.
Okay. This is what I was
Look at
saying.
the roots on that. Very fine feeder roots, that's lovely, but they're very brittle. These weren't meant to be bonsai, they're probably sold as hedging plants. It's always in this same sort of peaty compost, it's just saturated. Let's get this raked out.
So far, so good.
You always want to rake in a radial pattern.
God damn, some of these roots are chunky monkeys.
This one's a bit one-sided, as you can see. Look. These are really healthy at the moment.
They look fantastic. Just as a little, probably at my halfway point.
This morning was the first frost we've had all winter, really. I had to scrape the car off twice. Look at these roots. We need to get these in a good, better soil and start training the roots, sort them out now, because if we left these another year, you'd be in trouble. We're going to flip the tree up a bit and work from the bottom, because it just loosen the sides up a little bit more. The poggos are here.
Not again, Lorna. You're not ruining another video.
Just keep raking away. I've had to stand up to get some elevation on my work.
Oh, there's a wild shrimp.
Surprise appearance with terracotta dust for makeup.
How's the terracotta episode coming along? You finished?
I've done 3.
3?
I've done 3 out of the supposed 5.
Nice.
Oh yeah, well done on your swim.
Oh, thank you, brother.
It's a nice drop. I'll put the footage in it. About now. Here's what we're talking about.
The icebreaker challenge, dude, in that. It was 2 degrees when I woke up this morning. We had a bit of a frost for the first time this year, so it's a little cold, to say the least. I'm ready. Got my hat. Got my trunks. I've got my towel. I'm ready.
Him stretching like he knows what he's doing.
I'll get a text from Dad a couple hours later. Well done, son. You won.
This needs a bit of a rinse out in some water, I think. Or a squirt off with a spray bottle.
It's the root system I've been left with. I think I'm going to follow suit and probably end up cutting all of these lengthy root systems out the way.
Hello Lola. How are you today? One there too.
Oh, really, Cal?
So I'm just cut the bottom off here to keep the bottom nice and flat in the pot.
It's
So the roots just grow outwards. I keep saying it, but we need them to grow outwards.
Outwards.
And it'll take a few years, but this is the start of that process.
The start of something beautiful.
That's it. The Vikings used to believe it was sacred because under the bark and, you know, the nice cambium layer of a yew is red, and they used to think it was the blood of the fallen soldiers that had been drawn up from the ground by the yew tree.
That's cool.
And it's always been a sacred tree in Britain. And this little bit coming out the side is twisting round the back, and then there's one coming up out the top. Roots don't grow up, branches and trunks grow up. So it needs to come out really.
Right. God.
You done yours, have you?
Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's flat enough, I think. It's definitely flat enough. I'm missing quite a bit on this side.
I think that's going to have to be about it, really.
And there you go.
Because we've taken quite a bit off, but that should be the start of something good. So, let's get these potted. Got a little drainage screens.
Yeah.
To cover up the holes in the pot, the drainage holes, so the soil doesn't fall out. Make sure your roots are nicely spread out as well.
Yeah. You don't want a repeat of how they were planted. It's pretty important to get the soil back in between the roots, isn't it?
That's it, mental how much the soil packs in, isn't it?
Yeah.
When it's fine grit as well, you see it disappear.
So are you going to do the trim after you guys done this pot then? Or have you done a trim?
Probably have a little trim up, I suppose. A little trim up.
What are they?
They look like pumpkin seeds. Look, there's another one there.
I've got one sprouting, look.
Oh yeah.
They're those Turkish mimosas. I'm going to plant one. It's going to have a
Go
plant.
and shove it in a ginkgo pot. That's what he means by plant it, isn't it?
No, I mean, I'm literally going to put it in this pot, mate. I'm putting it back. I'm putting it back where I found them.
I reckon that's it there. I'll just give it a squirt up with water.
They're definitely mimosas.
Cleans the trunk up and all when you do this.
That looks beautiful.
I'm sorry, bro.
Get them out on off. They're weeds. Or they will be.
This is going to be a proper little forest scene, mate. It's a 5-in-1.
Now just put some stones on it to stabilise it. These are going to stay on probably right till summer. Just leave them.
Oh, I can't put the stones on because I put my mimosa seeds in. I'll find a way around that. Give it a little clean off because
Yeah,
I'm so messy.
That's amazing. Little blue chips just gone in that birdhouse.
Oh yeah.
In the nest box.
Damn. That's cool. Dark now, I don't know if it's going to be... Are you going to cut yours or are you going to just leave it?
We'll give them a quick prune up, I suppose. Not major though.
Should we go
Just
prune them
take-
indoors? Get the light back. Now the aim isn't to cut as much as possible off and to get it into a shape now, is it?
Needs to balance out the vigour because it can't
Hello,
supply all that
should I have a ticket? Oh, okay. I have.
The first episode it was Lola, the second episode it was Julie. Tune in to episode 3 to see who interrupts us next.
See you soon. Bye.
Could be me. Oh, I'm going to just start going for it, mate. I might just do a rough edge cut, to be honest.
So all this brush coming out the bottom here, I'm just going to take all that off.
Yeah, that's what I was considering. I don't have as much as you though.
Swelling there, you know.
Yeah, oh yeah. Got a nice low branch developing there. I think I might have to keep that. Like you said, it needs to taper up and get thinner as it's going
that's
up.
it.
So So it wouldn't work as a leader anyway, would it?
It would, but it depends on how big you want the tree. You don't want it that big, so
No way.
I've just started thinning out the bottom of this one here just to see what's going on.
Already that's looking pucker though. I'm going to pull it back to a node, I think. Just in case. And then, just in case. Do you want to explain why we're not using wire?
Well, yeah, just because it's unfriendly to the tree. And it's better to do clip and grow.
It never seems to work out. It always looks fake.
Yeah, too uniform, like.
Yeah.
Not,
Oh, real.
not natural.
It looks like it's telling me to cap it off. Where am I? I'm capping it off, so I'm just gonna do it.
That's it, yeah, let it tell you what to do, and the shape of it, just follow the natural flow of it. I've started like styling a branch here, look, getting a bit carried away.
Nice. I really want to encourage this branch. I think I'm going to have to cut some of this out so it's not looking... Whoa! Is this the bit where we need some goggles again?
Maybe.
Take some of that growth out just to give it a chance to fill that gap.
I'm just cutting these back to nice growing leaders at the moment. It's not going to look great at the end, but it's just going to sort a few problems out that I can see. So in here, there's 5 or 6 branches all coming from the same spot, so I'm just going to thin it out and deal with that problem right now.
Yeah, I can see that already.
Right, I've done all I need to do on that.
Wow. God, you stripped her back a fair bit then.
Yeah. What would you say that is? 90% of the foliage?
Yeah. It doesn't make sense if branches are growing back into the tree, does it?
No,
There you go.
look, hence why mine I've just thinned everything out.
Yeah.
Leaving a good amount of growth on each branch. And these trees were full of vigour, mate, so it'll be able to cope with it. It just needs a bit of protection till the growing season. Well, that's it. If you look at all of these, they're all prone to a growing tip.
Yeah.
Everywhere. Look, there's even a little bud there.
Yeah. Right, well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching episode 2.
Yeah, of Bonsai with Ryan and Reece. Taxus Bacata, the yew tree.
What do you reckon we'll end up doing for episode 3? Or is that done for now?
Yeah, we're going to have a little workout and see maybe some soil mixes, some pots. Don't forget to keep checking out, see if we've got any shrinks workshop coming up as well.
Yeah, we're going to be...
Hey, wait, that's me!
That's it, he's holding the camera.
Please do subscribe and like our content if it appeals to you, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care.
Bye. Back a minute.
I don't think I'm a good camera holder.
He's like...
It's fun.